Morning, guys. December 10th, 2020. Got a call from an older lady. She's got a gas furnace and it's just blowing cold air. It's not heating the house, so she's panicking. It's gonna be probably 45 today, the high. And what do you got on there, Miss Molly? You got yourself a little hoodie sweater? Got a little hoodie sweater? So anyway, we're going over there. See what's going on. She said it's a furnace, it's got floor registers, so it's just blowing cold air. Turn right on Slocum Road. So we'll go give it to you. How you doing? See what's going on with it. Hopefully I got the parts in the truck for her. Try to get you some shots. You got on air conditioning mode. Let's go look. You gotta put a mask on.
Oh, who, me?
Yeah, you. You want me to come in the house?
Yeah.
You gotta put a mask on. Look, it's icing up.
I'm gonna stay like this, okay?
Yeah, you're gonna need to leave the mask on if you want me to come in the house.
I will.
All right, where's the? Yeah, it was on heat.
I can put this.
Yeah. So let me get my gauges and see what's going on with it. Maybe it's low on Freon.
I'm sorry?
Might be low on Freon. Where's the furnace? Downstairs? Can I look at it?
Yeah, I got everything.
Alright, so it's got a TXV on it. It's a Rudd unit. I don't think it's iced up yet, but unless the reversing valve's not working. Gas furnace too. I don't know why that heat pump's working. Is that even a heat pump out there? That's strictly AC. I don't think that's not a heat pump. That's strictly air conditioning. I don't know why that was running. I have a bad thermostat. This was a heat pump. This wire would be a lot bigger. It's an old beast. I got the thermostat off the wall upstairs. We're gonna jump out. It's not a heat pump. It's strictly air conditioning, but I don't know why the AC was working. That's kind of odd. We'll jump out the heat. I have a bad thermostat up there. Red. Red and white will be heat. Red and white. That's red and white. That should be the heat. Unless we got a bad limit. The fan came right on. So got a bad board there. Check the limit, see what's going on with that. PCB connector. See if it glows. Sensor issue. Either that or a thermostat issue upstairs. The AC shouldn't have been running. I got the thermostat off the wall. I got it jumped out down here. Flame sensor. Look at that flame sensor's dirty. We're gonna clean that first thing. I don't know why the AC was on. That shouldn't have been running. It's kind of odd. It's not a heat pump. It's not a heat pump, so it shouldn't be running. Oh, she's a little crusty. I'm gonna try changing the thermostat. It was on heat, it wasn't on cooling, so. This jumped out for now to get us some heat, but we'll go change the thermostat. We'll change the thermostat upstairs. Got that flame sensor clean. When you first turn it on, it goes through a cycle with the fan, and then it'll kick on. Let's change that thermostat upstairs. Gee, yeah, we're just going to change this thermostat out. Could be the thermostat's bad. This thing's not supposed to be running. That's AC, not on heat. She did have it on emergency heat, but I'm going to just change the thermostat. Put in Honeywell, non-programmable. Keep it simple, stupid. Got some batteries here. Get on heat. Couple of batteries. Got a jumper between the red and the C. Got the white. Red and white is heat. Yellow's air conditioning, and G's fan. So we got it on heat, automatic. I'll set it at 70. We'll see if the AC is running out there. It shouldn't be. When we pull our jumper off that heat, it should stay on. Warming up in here.
I'm sorry?
It's warming up in here. It's warming up in here.
Oh, yeah.
Getting warmer. You can't hear too good, huh? No?
No. I'm sorry.
Well, it's staying running now, so that's good. Well, it was a bad thermostat. Filters are a little dirty. I gotta clean them. I'll do the rest inside on the kitchen sink. Good enough for this neighborhood. So I got the filters back in. I got this turned back on. You can hear electronics sparking. And clean the flame sensor and a new thermostat. Now that other one she had it on emergency heat, so it might have been feeding out to that, but that's strictly AC, so I put a regular thermostat in there. Don't have emergency heat on it. Should be fine now. Running on heat mode, it's heating the house. It's heating the house, it's running. Clean that flame sensor. Should be good to go. My lights, something happened to my lights down here. That's it. AC's not running. It says it was a heat pump, but it's not a heat pump. We're okay here, no carbon monoxide. That's good, no CO in the registers.
I'm sorry?
No CO in the registers. You can't hear me, huh? No CO in the registers.
No CO?
No carbon monoxide in the registers.
Oh, that good?
That's good.
Thank you. I'm sorry you have to speak so loudly for me.
That's fine, I don't mind. I got it set at 70.
You take credit cards?
No, I do not.
No, okay. Sure.
Have to be a check.
All right. 185.